Rosemary is a fragrant herb that not only adds flavor to dishes, but also offers several health benefits. Here are 8 short benefits of rosemary. 1. Antioxidant properties. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage. 2. Memory and concentration. Some studies suggest that rosemary may enhance cognitive function and memory. 3. Anti-inflammatory. It contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Digestive health. Rosemary can aid digestion by promoting the flow of bile and reducing indigestion. 5. Hair and scalp health. Rosemary oil is used to improve the health and appearance of hair and scalp. 6. Immune support. It contains vitamins and minerals that support the immune system. 7. Antimicrobial. Rosemary has natural antimicrobial properties that can help combat infections. 8. Stress reduction. The aroma of rosemary is believed to have stress-reducing and relaxation-inducing effects. Ingredients: rosemary,